Welcome back to my channel. This is another cooking extravaganza video, something. And today, this special ingredient is zucchini. Yay, zucchini! What is up with zucchini? I have no idea what that thing tastes like. It's in the recipe, so we're gonna use it anyway. That's so exciting. I love making food and even more so love showing you what I did. Yeah, that's the video. And I hope you get hungry by watching me making food. So I start by cutting the carrots, the zucchini, and the cucumber into small cubes. I always start by cutting everything out so I don't stress while I'm cooking. The key to successful cooking is to not stress, and it makes it more fun too. Then I put 4 cups of rice into the rice cooker with 6 cups of water, cold water. Oh, by the way, get a rice cooker. It has made my life so much more easier. It is the best kitchen gadget that I will ever recommend. It's so genius. I cannot recommend enough. Then I put some coconut oil into the wok. I always use coconut oil because it's kind of the cheapest. Olive oil is insane and I'm lactose intolerant, so I can't use butter. So therefore, coconut oil. So I cook the ground beef first. And when it's about half cooked, I put in some ginger powder and some garlic powder. Now I use powder because I am lazy. I can't really taste the difference, so I want food to be as easy as possible. Because ground beef is so expensive these days, I use a small package of ground beef and then I substitute the rest with lentils. Lentils is so amazing. I can't believe no one has told me this before. I was running out of beef and then I just took whatever I had, and lentils is amazing. Oh my goodness. And it's so cheap as F. And it tastes the same. Really amazing what vegan people can teach us. Like what? They have so much food, and meat eaters are so mean to vegans. I cannot have it. Be nice to vegans. They're doing their best. So I add the lentils about the time where the ground beef with the spices are done. And then of course I add the carrots. I always add the carrots first. And then after about 2 minutes I add the zucchini. I'm still very in doubt of what the heck the zucchini does, but it's in the original recipe, so therefore I use it. So I've actually never tried to eat a raw zucchini. Now I've cut them out. Maybe try one. Teeny tiny piece. I could eat teeny tiny piece, right? Not dangerous. Okay, I don't like that. I like them cooked. So now I know that. After I have cooked everything for about 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, I add soy sauce. I love soy sauce. Soy sauce is just so amazing. I can't believe I have been afraid to use soy sauce. And it's not just for sushi. I don't like sushi. Sushi is not good to me. So after another 2 minutes, I add some of the most delicious sweet chili sauce. I add some chili mayo before the rice. Mix it all together, and then I take the rice and mix it all into the wok. It is so delicious. It doesn't look delicious, I gotta be honest, but it is the best. I am really adoring rice bowls, and I can't believe that I have gone my entire childhood hating rice. I always portion my meals when they go into the freezer. I do that every single time I don't cook. I have a whole stash of pre-packaged meals in my freezer, so I don't have to cook every single day. Cooking is fun, and it should always be fun. Whenever you think cooking is not fun, you're probably doing something wrong. How beautiful that is. It is not restaurant worthy, but I love it so much. That is delicious. So delicious. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this. And wow, it's hot and delicious. So good food. You should make it. If you are inspired to make this dish, the full-on recipe, like all the ingredients and how much of it, is in the description. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a whole playlist with rice bowls, and if you don't like rice, I will one day have a pasta recipe playlist. Right now I'm really into rice, and I don't see that changing soon. Yeah, that's it. I hope my husband likes the food today. I won't know until tonight when he comes home from work, but here's the hope. Okay.